What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Monday, February 7th, 2022. Doing our 2021 Bowman Draft Baseball Sapphire Edition 3-box break. Pick your team number 4. Number 5 is tomorrow. And number 6 is on Wednesday, along with Topps Chrome Update 10 mega box break on Wednesday as well, the second one. If you curious about that product, watch our first break. It was the craziest break I've ever done, and it was retail. But go figure. Other than that, be on the lookout for Top Series 1. I'm going to post that later this week, probably Wednesday or Thursday. 3 jumbo cases of that, all card ship. And then also a half case of Leaf Pro Set Baseball, which is a new set this year. So I think that's what's kind of on the docket for right now. That's going to be posted on the site after these breaks for next week and the week after. For this break, who's got who? You got the team names on the top left there for you. Alphabetically, you got Adam N with the Angels, last spot Marlins, and then also the Padres. Andrew S with the D-backs, Reds, Rockies, Brewers, Rangers, Nationals. Brett M with the Braves, Astros, Phillies. Brian M with the Twins, Athletics. Carl E, Mets, Yanks. Danny V, Red Sox. Doug W, Cubs, Dodgers. Jacob R, Royals. John W, Giants, Jays. Judson with the Indians. Mark N, Cardinals, Rays. Ray R with the Tigers, Mariners. Ricky B, Orioles. Sean F, Pirates. And Steven S, White Sox. Good luck, everybody. All card ship. No hitless credit with this break, just because there's no real hits. No autos, no relics, all that stuff. And all first Bowman sleeved and top loaded. Good luck. Hopefully we can pull 1-on-1 out of some of them. We've done a lot. We're gonna do a total of 18 boxes by the end of all this. So by the end of Wednesday. So hopefully we did pull 5 out of 5 so far. Cool. So very nice stuff. Orange Jordan Lawler, orange Harry Ford. So just hoping we could maybe sneak out a 1-on-1, but we'll see. Still some very nice stuff so far. We got Brett Beatty to leading it off for the Mets. Robert Gasser, nice Ian Mahler for the Rangers, and Andrew Painter. Francisco Alvarez, Lonnie White, Pirates, Micah Ottenbright, and Aaron Sabato. 2 numbered parallels per box. Here's one of them. So we got Adley. The front there, go to the back. Angel Martinez and Connor Norby. We got a first Bowman yellow. It's going to be the A's. Mason Miller, 9/99. Oakland, Brian. Nice first Bowman parallel there for the A's. Nice Adley too. Andrew Abbott, Austin Martin, McCade Brown, and Tristan for the Red Sox. Jay Allen, nice one, Reds. Nice Christian Hernandez. So, like, there's no Bowman Chrome Sapphire. So, like, it's pretty cool that you can have guys like Rodriguez and Christian Hernandez get their first Sapphire in this set. That thing happened with Wander, I think. I don't remember if his first was, like, if they came out with Bowman yet. Nice Jay Allen. You got Gavin Williams, Vera, Russell Smith, and Kevin Alcantara. You got Green. So Jordy Barley, Yoelqui Cespedes, nice Ethan Wilson behind that for the Phils. And first Bowman Green, Phillies, Micah Ottenbright. 8/50. Philadelphia, Brett. Couple first Bowmans, like it. Last pack of box 1. Sam Bachman for the Angels, nice one. JT Schwartz, Maddox Bruns, and Ryan Cusick, all firsts, nice. Box 2. Quick break nights tonight and tomorrow. And then Wednesday we should be on for like an hour doing the 2 breaks. And then next week we'll be on for a while doing the Series 1. Nice Duelvi Marte for the Mariners. Schwellenbach, Jordan Vyers, Garrett Mitchell. Nick York, Jackson Wolf, Cooper Kinney, and Paguero. You got yellows. We got Milcar Perez, Soderstrom in the back, as well as Jackson Merrill. The yellow, first Bowman, Mariners, Bryce Miller, 69 of 99. Going out to Ray. All first Bowman so far on the parallels. Fourth rounder for the Mariners. Kai Bush, Grayson Rodriguez, Bubba Chandler, Luis Matos. Kate Povich. Nice, Marcelo. Going out to the Red Sox and Danny. Haven't seen much of him. Cody Morissette and Victor Mesa Jr. We have not had much luck pulling him, so might be the second one we've pulled out of like 11 boxes now. That would be the 11th box right there. Nice one. Chad Patrick, TJ White, Austin Love, Max Meyer. Got orange coming up. E-Guy. And then we got Garcia, Kevin Kopps, the orange. First Bowman, D-backs, Chad Patrick, 23 of 25. Going out to Andrew. Mr. Patrick. Final pack of box 2. Ruben Ibarra, Eric Silva, Peter Hubick, and nice Frank Mazzucato for the Royals, 7th overall. Frankie M. Alright, final box, guys. Final box. Ruben, Silva, Ethan Wilson, and Uelke. Thought we were getting the same pack. Mr. Beatty, Gasser, Maddox Bruns, Pedro Leon. Is this gold? This one looks gold more than yellow. We got Del Castro for the Jays in the back. Another Cusick. First Bowman, Orioles, Connor Norby, 4 of 15. Baltimore, Ricky. Very, very nice. Bam. There's a little, oh no, there's no dust in there. It was on the outside. Thought there was dust in the top loader. Very nice. Oof, 4 of 15 sharp. Got one parallel left, so let's try to get some big names. Lonnie White, Adley, Steinmetz, Endy Rodriguez. 4 packs left. Andrew Abbott, Austin Martin, Jake Fox, Gunnar Henderson. Another J. Allen. Christian Hernandez, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Colton Cowser. Nice. Nice finish for the Orioles. Nice Cowser base. Mr. Allen. Alright, we got green. So we got Gavin. Harry Ford in the back. What's up, Harry? Hunter Goodman. And the green, first Bowman, Mets, J.T. Schwartz, 33 of 50. Going out to Carl. Mr. Schwartz. Gavin. And let me sleeve up Mr. Ford here. And final pack. Quick hit recap at the end for you too. Vera, Barley, Bryce Miller, first Bowman, Gunnar Hoglund going out to the Jays. Alright. Hit recap. There's your base guys. Every single color was a first Bowman. Like that. Alright, here we go, guys. Hit recap. Bowman Draft Sapphire Baseball. 3-box break PYT number 4. Number 5 tomorrow. Number 6 on Wednesday. Along with Topps Chrome Update Mega Boxes. 10 of them. Some bigger base players that we pulled. We had Frank Mazzucato, 7th overall pick for the Royals. A couple Jay Allens for the Reds. For Andrew, Colton Cowser base for the Orioles. Nice Harry Ford here for the Mariners. And Marcelo, we got him. Going out to the Red Sox. Parallels, number to 99, Bryce Miller for the Mariners. All first Bowmans on the parallels. Mason Miller to 99 going out to, we had double Miller action. I didn't realize. Going out to the A's. Micah Ottenbright, 8 of 50 for the Phillies. J.T. Schwartz, 33 of 50 for the New York Mets. Orange, Chad Patrick, 23 of 25. And 4 of 15, Connor Norby going out to the O's and Ricky. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Appreciate it. Again, tomorrow night we'll be back on for more Sapphire. Wednesday is the last of the Sapphire. And then we'll be getting into some Series 2. Some new rookie class coming up. Excited for it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.